Welcome back, HARBROs, to HARBRO Freight Quality Videos, lowest prices. And today we're just going to look at some of the new tools, which I thought were pretty interesting. They released a few new ones, and we'll just look at them and see how much they line up with the extended parking lot sale. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and maybe even hyping a little bit. And we'll jump right in. Who took advantage of the 2-day sale? I hope you were able to do multiple transactions and get more than 5 items per trip. Let me know what you got. Hopefully you took advantage. Hopefully you were able to stack with the instant savings. I saw mostly successful comments, but I did see a couple people who were saying they weren't able to stack, which seems unfortunate because instant savings are only new lower prices. Instant saving, no coupon needed, so it's not a coupon. Hopefully most of you got your ICON impact socket adapter set for a ridiculous discount. Anyways, new tools. ICON Alert. ICON Alert. This is the new ICON Professional Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS Toolkit, $700. Although they're watching my channel, $699.99. Very nicely priced. Read, diagnose, relearn TPMS sensors, including over 30 different aftermarket brands. Professional tool quickly replaces malfunctioning sensors or installs duplicates in additional tires. 1 year of free software updates. I think that's where they maybe are messing up. But this is clearly a professional level kit. If you're doing a lot of tire changes, I'm assuming, or you just want to go all out and monitor your own tires, this is for you. ICON always knocking it out of the park, or at least most of the time, with their cases. Other specs updated via Wi-Fi. Does have a 20% restocking fee, so something to make a note of. Displays PSI, ID, temperature, frequency, and battery status. Quickly replace low battery life of malfunctioning TPMS sensor or install duplicates. Comprehensive library, reset, relearn, and registration procedures. Automatically identify vehicle with integrated barcode scanner. Intuitive 8-button setup. Efficiently executes all programming, tasks, and tire placards. Easily test key fob, signal strength, and battery condition. 4.3-inch bright full color touchscreen display. 3000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium ion battery. Secure gateway ready. Includes premium durable nylon case with die cut insert foams, which is cool. Watch out for Prop 66. And they guarantee this product free from defects and in materials and workmanship 1 year from date of purchase. So that's the new ICON TPMS Toolkit. Interesting. Next, MADDOX. MADDOX got some new OBD2 code readers. And I don't know if these are the ones replacing Zurich, but they're basically competing with Zurich. This is going to be the more expensive MADDOX. It's the advanced 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader for $250. Specialized handheld code reader. Has an enhanced data stream for all system diagnostics. Works with Repair Solutions 2 app on your smartphone or tablet. Wide range of functionality. And just some pictures of this gentleman. Use that word loosely. Working on this car. Looking at some additional specs. That's kind of annoying. Battery required. 3 AA's, which you'll have a chance to get. The parking lot sale is getting extended. If I didn't mention it. A few people in the comments have mentioned it. But X posted the parking lot sale, I believe, like a day early, which is why these are not that great of quality, because they took them down as soon as they posted them. So the links don't work, but it does show that there's going to be an extended parking lot sale the 17th, 18th, and the 19th. So this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But we digress. Application 1996 and newer vehicles with OBD port. It uses the alkaline batteries, like we said, 4.3-inch screen, and it has a 90-day warranty from time of purchase. Then the next step, difference being, this first one is an advanced 4.3-inch screen. Second one is just a 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader, so it's not advanced. Specialized handheld code reader integrates with Repair Solutions 2 app, so similar. Wide range of functionality. Also has a 20% restocking fee, troubleshoot codes, stream live data, perform active tests and service resets. Also for vehicles manufactured in 1996, including hybrids and to now, Bluetooth smart device, 60 million professionally verified fixes, and then similar for the warranty or information, 90 days from purchase. And they're releasing multiple OBD2. Here's the MADDOX 2.8 screen, 2.8-inch screen OBD2 code reader. This is $90. Handheld code reader, integrates Repair Solutions 2 apps for your smartphone as well. And it just seems a little bit smaller, harder to read. This looks like it's a plug-in. Also 1996 and newer vehicles with an OBD port, color LCD, 2.8-inch screen, 90-day warranty. And then the more affordable version, $45, the OBD2 code reader. Same thing, Repair Solutions 2 app on your smartphone. It looks like this powers directly from the connection. Accessories included, DC volts 12, USB cable, 1996 and newer with OBD2 port, color LCD as well, and then 90 days from warranty, again for $45. But the more interesting ones we're looking at is this, and I thought Bauer does have some rotary tools already available. These are corded, or can be corded or charged, 0.6 amp and an 8 volt cordless variable speed. This one looks like it's corded for $40 and $49. Warrior has a rotary tool, of course, on sale, but this is the brand new Bauer 1.6 amp variable speed rotary tool kit. Rotary tool, powerful 1.6 amp motor for tough applications. Variable speed control and a 36-inch flex shaft are ideal for all types of precision work. And what I am focusing on here is this corded tool. Corded tool, Bauer corded tool. What does that mean to us? 25% off all Bauer corded power tools. Now, is there a chance this won't be included in the sale and that they'll tell you at the cash register that maybe it doesn't apply? That's possible. But they made the update adding, I want to say, all corded Bauer tools a few days after the parking lot sale has started. So if you're willing and you're looking for a new Bauer rotary tool, $80 is pretty pricey. But at 25% off, you're getting it for $60. So still a little pricey, but something that likely won't go on sale anytime soon. So glad to see this coming out as a new tool with the parking lot being extended this week. And then the last new tool that I want to look at is the Doyle 14-in-1 precision screwdriver nut driver. $12, so already a decent deal. Includes 8 different screwdriver bits and 6 integrated nut drivers. Cushion grip, handle, and spin cap deliver exceptional comfort and precision control. 14-in-1 with all your screwdriver bits and nut drivers. And the reason this one excites me, because one, I'm a Doyle fan, or Doyle rules, but then also with the extended parking lot sale, 35% off all pliers and screwdrivers, Doyle included. So this being a screwdriver from Doyle, we're going to assume that it's going to be included as part of the sale. If not, you can make a good argument for it being a part of the sale. At $12 and at 35% off, you're getting it for $7.80, which I would say is a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Got excited for some of these new tools and wanted to make sure everyone was kept abreast. Again, let me know how your 2-day 30% off everything 25 and under went. Hopefully it went well. Parking lot sale is extended, just unofficially announced. So either way, good luck out there. Hopefully you were successful. Happy harbor freighting. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.